So first of all, big congratulations. The trailer is getting a huge response. Apart from trailer, the song also is getting a huge response. What kind of appreciation you are getting from the friend Hollywood party?
Thank you very much, Adil. We are getting obviously a great response from our friends and family also. They are very excited to see us in this role because they were expecting something else only. कि launch हो रहे हैं, सलमान भाई launch कर रहे हैं और उनको लगा एक typical शायद launch हो जहाँ मैं action कर रहा हूँ, जहाँ मैं body shot दे रहा हूँ और हवा चल रही है, इसके बाल उड़ रहे हैं और मैं इसे देख रहा हूँ. तो they were very happy to see that it's a very unconventional launch. And you can tell in the trailer only it's a very content-based film. So yeah, everyone's really excited to watch it.
Yeah, same here. My friends. It's true, but yeah, I mean your friends would obviously want the best for you, and so would your family. Some जो इनके दोस्त चाहते हैं उनके लिए मेरे दोस्त वही चाहते हैं कि okay, wow, this is looking great, this is looking exciting. तो मुझे भी वही comments आए और इंडस्ट्री से जो भी हम लोग ने देखा है आई थिंक ट्विटर पे एंड इंस्टाग्राम पे इट्स ब्यूटीफुल टू सी सो मच सपोर्ट एंड एनकरेजमेंट फ्रॉम सच टैलेंटेड लेजेंडरी पीपल और हाँ सो फार सो गुड.
Okay, sir, आपसे जानना चाहूँगा this movie is a romantic genre.
जी.
So romantic saga is also a cliche for the debutant.
हाँ.
Why you haven't done a action movie because you have a great physique also?
तो आई थिंक एक्शन ऑल्सो वेरी बिग क्लीशे टू डू और एक्शन करता तो उसमें भी रोमांस आ ही जाता, एक लव एंगल तो होता ही, लेकिन आई प्रेफर डूइंग फिल्म्स लाइक दिस विच इट्स आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई डू फिल्म, आई वोंट डू एक्शन फिल्म्स बट आई प्रेफर कंटेंट. आई थिंक इट्स मोर फन टू प्ले अ कैरेक्टर rather than playing a hero. So I enjoyed doing this film and if I had to choose again I do this one only.
I don't think also it's about genres as far as I know, Zaid, because we think very alike in terms of our careers.
Yeah.
I don't think it's about genres. I think it's about a story which works for you in your head, creatively. So it's not about, and I feel ki this is the most uncliched debut, man.
Yeah.
So you can't say it's a cliched romantic. You can't even say it's a cliched romantic debut. तो दूर की बात है.
And we've all been looking for scripts for the last 5.5 years for me. And it's not that we said कि रोमांटिक पिक्चर ही बनाएंगे, लेकिन जो मिली, जो बेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट मिली, हमें लगा जो बेस्ट है सब में से वो रोमांटिक निकली तो हमने कर दी. हमने ये नहीं बोला कि रोमांटिक बहुत क्लीशे होगा लेकिन ये सबसे अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है तो हम एक्चुअली करेंगे.
और मैं मानती नहीं हूँ कि अब एटलीस्ट मेरे लिए, आई एम श्योर ज़हीर के लिए भी, टू डू फिल्म, क्योंकि ये जॉनर सही है. अभी मैंने रोमांटिक की तो अभी मैं एक्शन करती हूँ या करूँगा. आई डोंट थिंक हम ऐसे सोचते हैं क्योंकि हमारी ट्रेनिंग जो है बहुत सिमिलर रही है इन टर्म्स ऑफ नितिन सर एंड हेमंत सर, ऑल दीज पीपल हैव इन्फ्लुएंस्ड अस. सो वी वुड बी मोर एक्साइटेड अबाउट वर्किंग विथ different stories which will be unique, like Andhadhun, like Stree. 5 years ago if you told someone horror comedy they would say on every level.
और हो सकता है हमारी अगली 10 पिक्चरें रोमांटिक हो.
Exactly.
हो सकता है हम कभी रोमांटिक फिर करें नहीं.
Exactly.
तो डिपेंड्स व्हिच स्क्रिप्ट्स वी गेट.
और वही एक्साइटिंग बात है ना, अगर आप क्रिएटिविटी को एक बॉक्स में डाल दो और कहूँ कि नहीं मैं एक्शन हीरो ही बनूंगा या नहीं मुझे तो हीरोइन बनना है अराउंड ट्रीज एंड येलो साड़ीज, तो फिर क्या इसमें मजा ही नहीं.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर you came from a Bollywood industries and there are lots of achievements have in a part of your family member.
Yeah.
So do you pressurize, do you have any pressure because you have a name? बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो कहते हैं कि जो जिसके पेरेंट्स बहुत पहले से होते हैं उनके ऊपर ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है. So do you agree or you have a pressure?
No, I don't think it's pressure because I'm very clear about the fact that I want to do this and I'm very strong-headed about it. I want to work very hard regarding it. I want to up my game every time. I don't take it as pressure because then that becomes a little negative. आपका approach फिर हमेशा negative होता है किसी चीज़ को लेकर. तो मैं responsibility की तौर से लेती हूँ. It's a big beautiful responsibility on my shoulders and to be born and brought up amongst such amazing artists is you're blessed. So what do? You take it as an asset and you take it as an encouragement and say, okay, great, I'm going to up my game. I'm going to make sure I don't let them down, and hopefully that's what I'm going to do. So yeah.
Okay, if we will talk about Salman sir, Salman is producing this movie. So if we will talk about the producer, how he is a tough one or the easygoing guy?
We've never seen Bhai as a producer. We've never considered him as a producer because we used to realize sometimes on set when the clap used to come in front of us, we used to remember that he's our producer because he always treated us like his kids, his younger brother, his younger sister. So
we never viewed him as a producer.
He's always given us advice as Salman Khan, that a person who's been in the industry for 30 years, he's passed down his wisdom and all that he's learned down to us. He has not given us advice कि मैं producer हूँ, देखो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ. So
he doesn't think like that also.
Yeah.
His thinking is not
you
like
just
that.
now reminded me again when you said it that he's producing the film. For us, he's just
like
Salman Khan who loves us so much, who's singing a song in our film, who does so much for us. We keep forgetting that he's also produced the film.
Yeah.
My next
So
question was just only you have also sang a song in this movie.
जी.
So कैसा लगा आपको? Because वो बहुत ही कम पिक्चरों में गाना गाते हैं.
जी. It's a big deal, yeah, for me that he's singing, he's doing playback for me. It's a dream come true. Also, it's a phenomenal song. The lyrics of the song will resonate with every single person in the world, not even in India. It's a very beautiful line that says कि I'm like everyone else. सबके जैसा हूँ मैं. मुझ में अलग सी कोई बात नहीं. दिल फिर भी चुपके से पूछ रहा तुमसे मुझसे प्यार करोगी क्या? Which is a line that I think every guy says at some point in his life. Everyone will relate to it. So I know the song's going to be a big hit because, and this was always our favorite song from the film.
Always.
And the fact that he sung it has just is like
Sone
Pe Suhaga. So the cherry on the cake. It's Sone Pe Suhaga.
Okay, there is also news that you both are going for the Dabangg tour also. Is it true?
We went for the Dabangg tour,
we did, but
and,
unfortunately,
unfortunately, it got cancelled because of the rains. It was raining there, and there was a hailstorm the night before. So yeah, so it had to get cancelled. But yeah, it would have been great because we were the first debutants, I think, to go and perform before their film releases at such a big platform. You know, at a tour, international tour that's happening.
That too with an audience of Mr. Salman Khan.
But so maybe the next time it happens.
Insane.
Whenever it's rescheduled for. I've already shared a stage with him at my sister's wedding.
Oh,
we danced with me. So
yeah,
that's what I've already done that. But yeah, so we were really excited about it and really depressed when it got cancelled. But yeah, we're still a little depressed, but it's okay. It'll happen eventually.
Yeah.
Okay, finally, last two questions. Your movie is also getting clashed with the Jangli. So what do you like to say? Do you think it will affect your movie?
I just hope that both films do really well.
Yeah, and I also feel that both are very different, no, in terms of genres and stuff like that.
That's
but
a hardcore action film, and
having said that, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि दोनों
it's
एक भारी
happened
पड़ेगा.
that lots of films have released together and both have done well. So I don't
exactly
think,
what I was saying. Yeah, and
nowadays people are really going out there and watching a lot of movies.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of this year especially, all the films have done well, I think.
Yeah. That's true.
So yeah, I think I'm hoping that even this week everyone goes and watches both the films.
Okay, lastly, क्या कहना चाहिए? आपकी मूवी आ रही है बहुत ही जल्द. Anything you like to say in your style?
In your style.
In my style, I don't know, but I'm just really excited, a little nervous now. It's just some days to go, and we were just talking about it that this, that, and honestly, like, and I feel कि we've not got the time to kind of sink in that it's just some days away. And it's a good thing क्योंकि हम दोनों पागल हो जाते हैं ये सोच कर हम इतना सोचते हैं हम बहुत obviously we've lived with this film now, me 9 months, him 1.5 years, him to more than that in terms of his training for movies. So obviously very nervous, very excited, can't wait to really begin the journey. I know in a way Notebook is kind of I would say, I don't know, it's closing in a way, but it's the beginning of my career. So it's the best possible chapter of my life, of my Notebook. So yeah.
Should I say mine and Maya bhi? मैंने देखी है पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी है जाके
He always tells me.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, same here.